Spruce Health Telehealth Honest Review. Watch before using. Spruce Health is a telehealth platform designed for healthcare professionals to manage patient communication efficiently. But is it worth using? In this honest review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best suited for, its pros and cons, and whether it delivers on its promises. First, Spruce Health isn't just a basic video consultation app. It's a comprehensive communication tool tailored for healthcare providers. The platform offers secure messaging, video visits, patient management, and even appointment reminders. One standout feature is the HIPAA-compliant messaging system, allowing doctors to securely communicate with patients via text, which many patients prefer over phone calls. It's great for practices that want to streamline communication without sacrificing patient privacy. Spruce Health is primarily built for independent providers, small clinics, and specialty practices like mental health, primary care, and dermatology. If you're looking for an all-in-one communication hub that includes video calls, voicemail transcription, and customizable auto-replies, Spruce delivers. Unlike some telehealth platforms that focus solely on video consultations, Spruce addresses the entire communication process, from intake forms to follow-ups. Now, let's talk about the pros. First, the user experience is seamless. Providers can manage everything from one app: patient messages, video visits, and even billing integration. Patients, on the other hand, get a more personalized experience with faster response times and no need to download multiple apps. Spruce's automation tools, like auto-responses and scheduled messages, also save time for healthcare providers who are juggling multiple patients daily. But it's not perfect. One downside is that Spruce Health isn't the cheapest option. It has a subscription model starting at $24 per month per user, which can add up for larger practices. Also, while it offers a lot of features, the learning curve can be steep for providers who aren't tech-savvy. If you're someone who prefers plug-and-play simplicity, you might find Spruce's setup process a bit overwhelming at first. So, who should use Spruce Health? It's ideal for providers who want a professional, efficient way to communicate with patients beyond just video calls. If your practice relies heavily on messaging, Spruce is a game changer. However, if you're only looking for occasional video consults, you might find simpler, cheaper solutions elsewhere. In summary, Spruce Health is a powerful tool that goes beyond traditional telehealth services by focusing on streamlined, secure communication. It's perfect for healthcare providers who need to handle patient interactions efficiently. But be prepared for a bit of a learning curve and the ongoing cost. Overall, if communication is the cornerstone of your practice, Spruce Health is worth the investment.